Hello everyone, this video is all about the functions of statistics. The purpose of statistics is to remove ignorance, rule of thumb, arbitrary decision and to use a scientific way of realizing truth. The primary function of statistics is to collect data, facts and figures in a very systematic manner and to present them in such a way that it is readily understood. Let's see the functions of statistics in more details. The first function of statistics is simplification of mass data. Suppose I'll tell you the population of India, a majority of the population of India is a very young population. It may not give you a very clear picture. Rather than that, I can give you the data like India has a population of 1.237 billion with more than 50% of its population below 35 years of age. It gives quite clear picture about the demography of the population of India. Second function of statistics is presentation of data in a very definite form. As we keep on telling you, statistics is using lots of graphs, charts, scatter plot to understand the data in a more appealing way. For example, suppose two variable like the how is the stress and the performance are related. If we can just present that data on a graph, in a curvilinear graph will show you how basically these two variables are related. The third function of statistics is comparison of data in a more meaningful way. Suppose we want to know who is getting more salary, whether a data scientist, data engineer, or a statistician. We can make a very easy comparison by taking 100 samples of each type of people and taking their average salary and then make a very easy comparison. Formulation and testing of hypotheses is another function. Let's discuss a little bit in details. Many of the time we try to understand how is the population parameter based on a sample, and it is done through a method called testing of hypothesis. Hypothesis, whether like let's take an example, many times people think that girls are having less IQ than boys. We can just take a sample of some 100 girls and 100 boys and make and see whether the judgment or whether the statement what is made by us or whether the assumption whether girls are less having less IQ than boys, we can easily check it and making it that it's a false statement. The another function of statistics is prediction and forecasting. We can easily predict the data of a company. Suppose we want to predict the sales revenue of a company based on the last 10 years of sales data. We can use the method called exponential smoothing or moving average and forecast the future data. This is one method which is known as a time series data, more applicable for time series data. We can even use regression analysis for predicting the data. Logistic regression or linear regression are very much useful in prediction of data. As in my previous video, I told you statistics is all about state affairs. So definitely policymakers depending a lot on the statistical data for any country before making strategic decision, before making policies, economic policies. There are lots of statistical data in different areas are collected, and based on the data, the policy making is done. So statistics is actually, if you divide, it can be divided into two parts based on the function. The first one is descriptive statistics and the second one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics dealing with the method of organizing, collecting and representing data in a more readable way or in a more convenient way. Whereas inferential statistics is based on your sample observation when we try to predict the entire population. Let's take an example to understand it better. Suppose Pepsi wants to know whether its bottling factory is working properly, whether the bottles are filled by 500 ml or not. To do that, this company may not check each and every bottle. Rather than that, it can just collect 100 sample and check whether these each bottles are filled with 500 ml or not. And based on the sample, it can predict whether the bottling factory is working properly or not. And if it is not, some corrective measures can be taken. You can follow my next video to know more about the scope about statistics. That's all. Thank you.